Hi and welcome back into this channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to show you how to make a welcome message on Discord with MEE6. So first, what you'll need to do is to open up the link in the description down below, and then it will going to lead you into this website right here, and this is the MEE6 website. So after that, you'll need to log in or sign in on an account. Just select the server that you want to set up the MEE6. So here I'm going to select the test server. And I'm just going to click on continue and then authorize. And after giving it an access to your Discord account, you will see this on your screen. And you will need to find this welcome and goodbye, and then just click on it and then click activate and welcome and goodbye. And after that, when you see this send a message when a user joins the server part, you will just need to toggle it on and then just select a channel. I am going to select general, and then here you can create your welcome message. And after that, you'll just need to save. And just like that, you'll have a welcome message on Discord with MEE6. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.